Is that the card?
So, happy birthday, Izzy from Haley. Hope you have another successful D-Day. Izzy. To Izzy from Haley. This is a picture of you.
Aww.
So go there dressed up. And then you said dressed up.
Ooh. That's so nice.
This is your belly. How come they can't turn this off? Who made that? I don't know. It doesn't say. A swing toy. Good night light. Good night light. Remember how you wanted one? Then turn it off so you have enough power to use it. If I want it light in my room to start, I must turn that on. Ooh, mine.
There's so much stuff in there, Haley.
Emma, give it back.
Just let her see it. She'll give it back.
Look at that. It's a princess diary. Yeah, you can draw pictures and write stuff about people and tell how you feel. Look at that one. This princess.
Come here, Emma. Come here, baby. I know. She doesn't understand, Haley. Come here. Emma, come sit with Mama.
Why do I don't know. We just don't have enough fans.
Come here, sweetheart. You can see everything. Just let her look at it. Haley, don't take it from her. She doesn't understand. She wants to see it. She wants to see it. What's that? Emma, you sad? Izzy, what do you say to Haley for all that nice stuff? Better give her a hug.